Today we'll be cooking Aunt Jemima pancakes. These are buttermilk, complete, just add water. Our main ingredients we'll need are Aunt Jemima pancake mix, for flavoring Aunt Jemima original syrup, and some sort of butter. The butter is used for the pan, and of course 2 cups of water, or maybe 1.5. 1.5 cups water. This tin foil is put over the plates, and then you deposit the pancakes into it when they're still hot, and it'll retain the heat. First we'll need to open. I got a knife just in case. Lift, tab, and pull. Well, okay. Oops, shit. I should have just opened it from the top. Damn it. 1. These are half cups I'm using, so I'm gonna have to do 4. Just some basic math. You will need basic math to do cooking. Damn it. Come on. I don't know if there's like... Usually it's not like this, I promise. I guess that's 2. Let's get that water. 1.5 cups. 1, 2, 3. Next, you'll need a whisk. This is a small whisk. Just give it a good whisking. Now, depending on how you want your pancakes, you might want That seems okay. It has a strong scent to it. Certain brands of the mix have a strong scent. I don't know if it's like I don't know what it is. It has a strong scent. I wouldn't say it's good. Let's just cut a little bit of butter. Now we want it to be at kind of just below medium. That should work. Now that the butter has started dancing, you can help assist it. That looks like an okay sized one. Dude, oh. Now this is where I messed up. I already messed up. The first pancake. The first pancake is a sacrificial pancake. So basically you have to appease the cooking gods with the first one. It's kind of like the virgin sacrifice. Because usually the first pancake doesn't turn out good. The idea is, once these are done and flipped, they'll go onto the tin foil and we'll wrap them. These 2 ingredients here are for eating. Now they're conjoining. I don't like that. Try to get them to split up. So the idea is to try to take a peek. You try to slip underneath. They look maybe not all the way cooked. Give them a little more time. Let them really bathe in that butter. Smells good. Let's just flip one. I want to flip one. Yeah, maybe these aren't sacrificial pancakes. Usually, I mean, I gotta really give this one to the Farberware. Farberware non-stick pans are excellent. Very nice. Oh yeah. Got a little bit of a goop on the other one. Let's transfer them. It's like a little piece in there. Now one technique you could do is wait for bubbles to appear. Not bad for a pancake. Pancake, however you pronounce them. Oh fuck. Well, I flubbed that one up. Try to push the goop underneath. Clean it off. Damn it. Fell on the floor. This has been going pretty well. Sometimes there are pancake disasters. The other thing to remember is that they can cook a little more in the tin foil. Last ones are always kind of goofy looking. Try and get all that out. Not the most beautiful pancakes, but still pretty good. They don't look like the box. I don't know what they did to get them to look like the box, but these have like skid marks or whatever you call it, like a tire tracks on them. Let's get this other one flipped. Oh, that is weird looking. I call that one like a tiger paw. I have never had a pancake turn out like that. Look at those designs. Does that mean something? This looks like it means something. It's unusual. Like there's like a blob and some swirls. I've never seen a pancake like that in my whole life. Anyways, we're about done. These look delicious. Delicious and unique looking pancakes. Let's get them on a plate. Got your pancakes. Take your butter, your Land O'Lakes butter. Put a bit of that butter on. Smooth it about. Let it melt. Butter's good for you. Take that cap off. Aunt Jemima. Take your Aunt Jemima syrup. Looks good to me. Let's try it. Hopefully it's cooked all the way and not raw. I'm not very good at cutting like this. Come on, you. Going in. Tastes okay. Enjoy Aunt Jemima pancakes. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something.